The detailed Dom, bitches. If you didn't know, now you do. Come on.
Super squeezy mix.
The devil's in the details, baby. And if you ain't paying attention, you gonna miss him. You know what I'm talking about?
Pay attention. You're.
Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Detailed Don. I'm so excited to bring you this episode. Today we're gonna do something a little different. Same thing we always do. Review some sneakers, check out some details on some sneakers. But usually we're doing about Air Jordan, Michael Jordan, the whole Jordan silhouette of retros that be coming out mostly every weekend. Today, we got something a little different. I've been playing a lot more basketball, so I decided to pick up a basketball shoe with newer technology because Air Jordans obviously are basketball shoes, Michael Jordan, but the technology in the shoe hasn't really advanced since Michael Jordan left the game. So it's basically from when Michael Jordan used to play. Now, we got the king, LeBron James, Lebron, the Yangs, how they say it out here in the 305. We got him, and he's been rocking. And I've been paying attention to his sneaker line since it came out, but I just never been a fan. Every time I ever tried to get a pair, it's just such a basketball looking like shoe that it doesn't catch my eye as much as Air Jordan would. When I started this channel, I was like, yo, we only gonna do Air Jordan. But you know what? LeBron James, if I'm gonna do any exception for any shoes on this channel, is gonna be of a great player, such as LeBron James. And I ain't talking about who's the best and all that stuff. You know who the GOAT is. You know who the sneaker GOAT is. You know who everything GOAT is. But I ain't gonna lie, LeBron James, his line will be pretty valuable down the line, I imagine. Once he's set and done and his whole career is over. When will that be? Who knows? But let's jump into this shoe. It's gonna be the first LeBron James box that I see. And, ooh, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice, guys. It's actually really nice. Got that gold on it. I did go true to size on this pair, and like I said, I've never had a pair of LeBron's before, so whew, you know me, you know why. You guys know why I got this color, because like I said, your boy loves that Miami Heat, and don't smell like an Air Jordan, not that exciting, but the grip on it is ridiculous. That's ridiculous grip. You got the Air Max unit in the back, black and red colorway. Too easy for your boy. Like I said, goes smooth with the Heat jersey to a Heat game. But really, I'm gonna use this to play basketball, so hopefully it makes me better at basketball. And I get respected on the court like the king. So yeah, it's a pretty simple all black colorway with hits of red. And as I said, on the bottom has mad grip, mad traction. Has a Nike React on the side, which is basically this whole entire piece right here. Some Phylon, I believe, right here. And then we got the Air Max unit. Some type of knit on here, right here. Tongue don't look like it's gonna stretch very much. On the insole, we have a LJ2317 LeBron James 23, and I would imagine 17 is because this is a LeBron 17 low. I was really looking forward to seeing how this looks right here and all the little details that are on this shoe. So this is like it's not like so much of a pod, but like I can definitely push in on it. So I'm excited to play some basketball on these things and see if it makes me fly like LBJ. Let's go through the details on this shoe as far as I can see, because I'm not too familiar with this shoe. As I said, it's my first one. So we got LeBron James signature on the front of the tongue. As I said, this is some sort of mesh. The lacing system is pretty unique, so we'll see how that fits when I put it on. We got a red Nike check with little black parts that are breaking through it, which I thought was pretty cool. Not sure if maybe it's reflective, but that would be pretty cool if it was reflective. We have like some nubuck right here, nubuck material along the side. We have another Nike check. I like these little mountains right here. Kind of reminds me of Air Jordan 7 with the little mountains. We have a King James on the heel, which is pretty cool. As I mentioned, that Air Max unit, which is see-through, you can kind of see through the whole entire thing, even though it's tinted out. It's not blacked out, it's tinted out. As I mentioned earlier, we have the Nike React, and then on the inside I showed you the insole. Right here on this side is where they have the sizing tag. On the bottom of it you get LeBron James' signature again on the heel. Pretty cool. I like it. Can't wait. I appreciate y'all tuning in again. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button, drop a comment below. Let me know, are you guys rocking with LeBron James or are you only rocking with Jordans? Should I never do a LeBron James review again? I don't know. I don't find too many of his shoes attractive, so maybe not. You got to definitely stay tuned to figure that out. We on our way to 300 subscribers. Once we get there, we will have a giveaway. So make sure to follow me on Instagram for all the details. Make sure to keep watching my videos. Check all the description below. One love. It's your boy Detail Don. Peace.
Hey, luxury.
I'm at the top, they at the bottom, so they say I'm out of reach. I was out here living lawless, I was always in the streets. I was really riding dirty with that 40 on my seat. I don't got too much to say because I heard that talk is cheap. They come around me trying to catch the wave, but we ain't on the beach. Shorty said she with the shit, so now I wanna see. I know she got a nigga, but this where she wanna be. If he try to hit her phone, then it's gon' say it's out of reach. She throw it back in them jeans, call her Sasso. She a bad bitch and a friend bad too. I turned them out in Mexico, back in Cancun. Hit them both out on the balcony, I'm a damn fool. Perky's in my system, I was off a Zach too. All the dirty I've been sipping, I'ma need some gas too. I'm the man, I got my method, nigga, you know cash true. So you try to disrespect me, nigga, that's your last move. She suck me like a vacuum, I send her back home on a red eye. Lives are ruining bitches the fuck, I'm trying to make this deadline. Connect to my Rolex shop, then make it big like Best Stop. Was BB home from that fat time, he got a new phone, no test drive. I'm at the top, they at the bottom, so they say I'm out of reach. I was out here living lawless, I was always in the streets. I was really riding dirty with that 40 on my seat. I don't got too much to say because I heard that talk is cheap.